Hello students, welcome you all in class 11. Now, today we will start our chapter Trigonometric Functions, and this is our third chapter. In class 10, you have learned about trigonometry already. So by using our previous knowledge, we will proceed to this chapter. See, about trigonometry, we have learned already that the word trigonometry is the science of measuring the sides and the angles of the triangles. We have learned in class 10 only that tri means 3, gono means side, and metron means measurement. So, we can say that it is the science of measuring the sides and angles of triangle. Okay, so we can define this trigonometry as the branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of angles of triangles and the problems related to these angles. Now see, we have idea about angle. So just let us see here that as we have learned about angle also. So here just you see that when a ray OA is starting from its initial position, OA rotates about its endpoint O and takes the final position OB, we say that angle AOB has been formed. Okay, nothing hard here. Simply we can say that we will take a ray OA. Okay, and starting from its initial position, OA rotate about its endpoint O and takes the final position OB. Okay, and we say that the angle AOB has been formed. Okay, so from this figure we can say that OA and OB are respectively known as the initial sides and the terminal sides of angle AOB, and the point O is called its vertex. So the thing we should understand is initial side and terminal side. So here OA and OB are respectively the initial side and the terminal side of angle OAB, and we know that the point O is called its vertex. Okay, so we can say that the amount of rotation from the initial side to the terminal side is called the measure of the angle. Simply, the amount of rotation from the initial side to the terminal side is called the measure of the angle. Under this, we will read about positive and negative angles. Under this, we will read about positive and negative angles. So see, positive, what I am telling, positive and negative angles. So first just see positive angle. Okay, positive angle is what? An angle formed by rotating a ray is said to be positive or negative depending on whether it moves in anti-clockwise or clockwise direction respectively. Okay, so here you see positive and negative angles. Okay, positive and negative angles. Okay, so we will see the direction. For positive and negative angles, we will see the direction. So we can say that just you see an angle formed by a rotating ray, it's said to be positive or negative depending on whether it moves in anti-clockwise or clockwise direction respectively. So here you see the direction is given in that way. Okay, initial side, okay, terminal side. So we can say this as positive angle. Okay, we can say this as positive angle, and simply if we will change the direction of this one, now see the other part, suppose this one, now it rotates. Okay, now if it rotates here A, B, O, and direction changes, that is minus theta. Previous theta, this one is minus theta. Now you tell this, now if it rotates, so this initial side will go here. So this becomes our initial side and this become our what? Terminal sides. Okay, initial sides and terminal sides, and this is our what? Negative angle. This is our negative angle. So I think this positive angle and negative angle is clear to you. Okay, so measuring angle, okay, measuring angle, there are two systems of measuring angle. There are two systems of measuring angle. First one is degree measure, okay, and other one is radian measure. Okay, first one is degree measure and second one is radian measure. So in our next class we will read about degree measure, that is also known as sexagesimal system, and another one is radian measure, that is also known as circular system. So about this we will read in our next class. So this much for this class and rest in the next class. Till then, have a good day.